Hey, welcome back to another episode of Sowing Seedz Grammar. Today we are going to talk about how to use passive present perfect. Let's begin with an active example. The police have found a lot of evidence. The police here is an active subject. What did they do? Where is the action that they did? They have found. And the object, the one that received the action, is a lot of evidence. To convert it into passive, we need to use have been or has been plus past participle. A lot of evidence has been found, or you can add by the police. Remember, if we use passive voice, the doer, the action, is not always important. Another example, they have sold out all the tickets. In the passive sentence, all the tickets becomes the subject, followed by have been, followed by past participle. All the tickets have been sold out, okay? Now you try to translate this sentence into passive. The FBI have found the missing jewelry. Okay, this is what you should get. The missing jewelry has been found, and you can add by the FBI. One more example. Translate it into passive. They have finally told him about the fire in the office. Okay, let's see what you got. It should be like this. He has been finally told about the fire in the office. That's all I have to say. Stay tuned.